Hey, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you are looking at a 2022 Ford F-150 in the Lariat trim. Just under 39,000 miles, this Ford F-150 does feature a 2.7 liter V6 engine, is 4-wheel drive, and does have one previous owner on the CARFAX. Starting in the front here, you can see those LED running lights, high intensity halogen headlights, and fog lights integrated into that lower bumper with your recovery hooks as well. Coming around to the wheel and tire setup, you can see that Ford factory 20-inch dark alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the exterior of this crew cab truck, you can see you do have turn signal indicators integrated right into that mirror cap with blind spot monitoring and passive door entry. Looking into this sleek interior, you have this chocolate brown and black off-white stitching, and you have some brushed aluminum and chrome, and that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this beautiful F-150. And as you can see, you do have black leather seats with that brown chocolate piping, and that's going to continue through here and in the back as well. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection sheet. As you can see, the front and the rear tires, as far as tire depth is concerned, are 7/32 all the way around. The brake pads are brand new and everything else is green, good to go for the next buyer. In the rear, you can see you have plenty of space back here for your passengers, and they will be comfortable with heated seats, charging, and a flow-through center console. Coming around to the bed, you will get a 5.5-foot bed with LED lighting on your tail lights there, backup camera, LED backup light, all your towing equipment here, 4 and 7-pin wiring with your hitch and receiver. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Locking tailgate, and then you have that power assist down tailgate with your drop-in bed liner. You will have a 120 outlet back here with LED lighting as well. And if you bring our attention up here, you have your high mount stop light and then your rear sliding glass. Making our way to the driver's side, you will notice your keypad entry and your keyless entry here on the door handle. And you have all your power options such as windows, door locks, mirror adjustments. You will have memory seating on the driver's seat up to 3 profiles, and there's all your power adjustments there. And to the left, you have some controls like your tailgate release, cargo lamp, and then your lighting controls right here, and brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster. Additionally, you will have adjustable foot pedals here, electronic parking brake, and then your power adjustable steering wheel as well. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. As you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and tailgate release. As you can see here on our very large and bright center cluster, just under 39,000 miles, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the steering wheel mounted controls. You have adaptive cruise control, some audio settings to the left, and then your selector for your center cluster, and you can display all kinds of information here, as you can see. You also have the availability to pair your phone via Bluetooth, and it is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And this particular F-150 is equipped with navigation as well. Very large, very nice touchscreen display. Huge backup camera, crystal clear. You will have your Pro Trailer Assist, integrated trailer brake control, and then your 4-wheel drive selectors to your left. And as far as power is concerned, you have your 12-volt and your 120 to your right. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these climate control options. With this F-150, you'll have heated seats, heated wheel, and then cooling seats as well. Down below, you have wireless charging and a USB and a USB-C. And then you have your nice sport shifter here in the middle, and that goes down into its nice little home right there. And just to demonstrate, it'll go back up all the way back to your nice deep center console here, wrapped with that 2-tone black and brown. I love that color, just makes everything stand out. Bringing our attention up top here, we do have integrated garage door openers. You can program up to 3. And up here you'll see you have your LED map lights, and then you have a nice rear sliding glass as well. Another simple but very effective and helpful feature of this F-150 is your dual glove box here. As you can see, you have an upper and then a lower as well. Under the hood, you will find a 2.7 liter V6 engine. As you can see, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does an amazing job of making these ready for the next buyer. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this vehicle. Keep in mind, it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here, you can see some stone chips, not too bad. Nice carbonized gray metallic exterior shining through there. Bottom bumper looks good. Recovery hooks looks like they were not used. And the headlights and then the fog lights are very clear. No chipping or curb rash on those wheels. Badging looks good. You will have some blemishes here and on the mirror, on that arm, not so much on the mirror cap. And you will have some scuffs on this high gloss black surrounding the outer door. The interior is very clean. Your perforated seats for your heated and cooling are really nice and clean. Definitely no odors or anything like that, so very clean inside. Didn't notice any dents or dings, but you will have minor cosmetic blemishes throughout. Here on the bed side, as you can see on the bed rail, on that molding, you can see some spots up here. And on the back as well, you'll see some scarring from cargo going in and out. Back bumper and by your accessories here looks good. Got your 4-pin, 7-pin for towing. That decal looks good, no chipping, no curb rash on this wheel. I'm coming up the driver's side right now. Maybe a small blemish here on the rear driver door. All in all, guys, a very clean truck here. We have a 2022 Ford F-150 Lariat. This is the 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost. So if you're in the market for a fuel efficient yet powerful crew cab truck, just call All Things Automotive at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com and shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved, guys. It's very easy. It only takes 10 minutes. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about the extended coverage, because this truck does qualify. So come on out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Make sure you like and subscribe.